Hello you guys, welcome to this first tutorial of the Fokker 70. In this tutorial I will show you how to start up the engines and make the aircraft ready for departure. I'll make some other videos in the upcoming days about how to manage the FMC and the other stuff in the cockpit of the Fokker 70. Maybe in about a few weeks time I will also do a series about the Embraer E190 and the Embraer E175 because that is the other part of KLM Cityhopper, and this channel is all about the KLM Cityhopper flights at Royal Dutch Virtual. So let's start. First of all, we need to get some electricity into the aircraft, and that is done externally or via the APU. Today we will do it by the external power. So first shift 1 to the 2D panel, and here you have the electricity. Well, let's connect it, and then via the overhead check it on. Okay. So to make the engines running we need a couple of things. First of all, we need some bleed air. That's also done via the doors and ground panel. So select the bleed. Engine start on. And let's start engine number 1.
Starting engine number 1. And 1.
And at 20 and 2 we will add some fuel. That's also quite standard also with the Boeing and the Airbus.
Fuel on, lighten. Engine number 1 stabilized.
Okay, engine number 1 stabilized. So now we can start engine number 2.
Starting engine number 2. And 1.
So the engine is running.
Fuel on, lighten. Engine number 2 stabilized.
So engine number 2 is also stabilized. I will now show you APU. It's completely the same, only when you do it by APU you get electricity from the aircraft itself and not externally. And with the Fokker 70 digital aviation there's a little bit of a special maneuver how to start APU. So first you turn it to the right on.
APU is ready to start now.
So the first officer said APU ready to start, and then you turn it another time to the right to start it.
APU is starting.
And on the other screen here you can see the APU rising, and when it's become available it will also get a display over here that it says is ready. So you see it's 100 and the exhaust gas temperature is rising. And if this
APU is available.
it's available, okay. And you also see here on the overhead panel avail. If on some reason it goes wrong, over here it will get a message and said fault. And that means that he's not started and you need to do it all again. And that is just simple by putting it on off. So the engines are running. This was tutorial number 1. Next time I will show you more stuff here on Skip Least on the mic apron. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.